Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, we're here to bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. But now I'm going to start with Arsenal Football Club. Oh my God, I'm daily my way at the face now, and this one is because of the match they want to play against Manchester United. And now say who then go start between Tavares and Kylian Tierney, because Kylian Tierney, all of us know say na be our original number one left back. But want to say Baba can't get injury, can't go out on break. Tavares can't enter, can't colonize that place, can't make him in your number one shirt. Even when Tierney self can't come back, they see they use Tavares. Even though Tavares play against Liverpool with the top side, the guy can make some few mistakes onto youthful exuberance and lack of experience. A lot of people can criticize and talk say why they start down, why they don't start Tierney. Even myself I talk am that day I no go lie say why they don't start Tierney. At least you go using experience, understand. You know every time go the bomb go forward. Tavares can come against Newcastle, can respond, can let people know say oh man, a mistake be that one. See the way they play, I just scatter everywhere. So now for this kind of almighty match, who make them start? Shemo could start Tierney, Abumo could start Tavares. Better let me know for the comment section and tell me why. Not just talk say start Tavares, start Tavares. Why should we start Tavares and why not Tierney? And why Tierney, why not Tavares? Let me know for the comment section. At the same time, we get another battle for the midfield where we don't know who will start. Whether make them start Odegaard and make them start Lacazette. If you watch for the match against Newcastle, where they start Odegaard, they can't put Lacazette for Benjamin. So even the commentator can talk say Arsenal had 20 plus shots on goal, which means we are always attacking. We are always with an attacking rhythm. You get this is Lacazette. Don't be saying they play 4-4-2 for that front. If they drop deeper into the midfield, can they play an alternate role like a midfield player with they behind the striker, but originally he's not a midfielder. I thought I just put that there because of the way with the clamor for starting Lacazette, start Lacazette. But now if we say Odegaard are coming for Newcastle, can shaping some things. Should we start Odegaard again ahead of Lacazette? Because I don't forget say games now don't they come quick and fast because we don't need for December period. So I think after we play this Thursday, maybe on Monday night we'll still play another match again. So that's why they do rotation now. This is I think I don't they rotate the guys, don't they play people who know they play before, don't they put them in. Even Martinelli said come inside when Saka no dey, so now so it just be so who made them start between Odegaard and Lacazette and why? I'm not now with the talking points for who will start, who no will start to even Aubameyang self. The question now be say should Aubameyang start or should he not start? She make Aubameyang just play for Benjamin. We'll put Lacazette for the focal points you get. Then for the back we just get maybe Emile Smith Rowe, Odegaard and Saka, or Emile Smith Rowe, or Emile Smith Rowe, Saka and Martinelli. How they go they shaping this thing? I don't know how it will be, but she make Aubameyang start against Manchester United. Abimo could drop off for Benjamin because some people get support the school of thought. We talk say Aubameyang whether in the informal, whether I know the informal. So na big name in be say people with the fear in name in there, but in actual sense, in reality, do people still fear Aubameyang? That's the question I make I ask you now. So people that let me know for the comment section. Should we start him or should we rest him? Let me know. But surprise, Arsenal don't they interested in signing Alvaro Morata, and what make this guy this significant? We say this guy don't score 4 goals in 17 games for Juventus. I know say Juventus they collect this guy on loan from Atletico Madrid, so they get a buy-on clause. So they say they talk say if the guy play very well for us, we go buy him for £28.9 million. But the way the guy they play in delivery no too make sense, and this guy wants to put a post net for them like mad. So that's why the reason say they will sign him. And this guy said don't come EPL before. He played for Chelsea for 3 good seasons, but you know really blow you get. But the guy has a deadly striker. So the reason say okay because Atletico now don't get surplus to requirement. Anton Griezmann don't go back there. They still get Suarez. They still get Felipe Luis. So if this guy say won't go back to Atletico, no space for him now. So and for that Juve win they say no space because Juve won by Vlahovic, and if Vlahovic fall late or more, the guy go be over surplus to requirements. So in the look for an escape route, and the final destination for that escape route might be Arsenal. So we are looking at going for them in January. They go collect the guy. I don't know how that they see this move, but for me it's a nice move because the guy a deadly striker indeed. At the same time, Noah Whelan, no be one of our pundits, don't come outside and talk say make them sell Pepe. You get say make Arsenal sell Pepe. Say the guy no easily acclimatized to the league. Say he never adapts to EPL. You get, you know, say before even Kevin Phillips said don't come outside talk say make we sell this guy. Say if Pepe know what's good for him, because you say Emile Smith Rowe and Saka they don't dey ahead of am for the pecking order. So if you know wetin they do, you go read the handwriting on the wall, find square root. Now William himself don't come outside, they talk the same thing. This is why we say everybody they talk say make Pepe find square root. If na maybe Pepe, I don't talk am yesterday. I no go waste time, I go move. Danny Mills will be one of our planetary spirits. Don't come outside, come dey talk say as things stand now, so you can go advise Lacazette make Lacazette find square root at the end of the season, because number one, Baba don't old, Baba dey like 30. No one go dey enter 31 soon. So if you want to give a lengthy contract, yes, you give him maybe 1 year or 2 years, he go still sharp like Aubameyang, because Aubameyang now dey like 32. You know they play like before when they 28, 29, 30. Now he don't shy. You know if you run again, you know if you dribble anybody, you know if you even wipe shots from outside. Now tapping in the score, easy tapping or small nodding, now in they do. So the guy no dey aggressive and strong again. Like as I said, he don't weak again. So the thing wey go good for Arsenal be say, we go sign another proven striker. No how. Baba say if we sell Lacazette or we let am go out on free at the end of the summer, say it go make sense. We go fit get another replacement. We go dey younger and hungrier. So that will be the advice when they advise Arsenal, and I hope say they will listen. This one is sad news because Arsenal legend, who they call Roy Kennedy, Baba don't die, has been losing life at 70 years old. Roy Kennedy make over 200 appearances for us, and Baba been the battle with Parkinson's disease of late. So Baba don't die, and when they make tributes to him, say he really play very, very well for us. So say R.I.P. to our senior man, our legend. My monetary spirit again, where they call Ian Magari, don't come outside for the transfer window podcast. Can they confirm the news? Say Arsenal truly they interested in signing Sterling. And like I talked yesterday, to show say no be fake news. Say Arsenal, the reason Manchester City don't want to collect the guy. At the same time, this Sterling representatives don't reason Man City hierarchy. Say we want make our boy go out on loan, and the place where they want make him go now where now Arsenal they be. So well, everything in January, because they won't make the guy go out on loan for January. So hopefully for this January, a lot of deals will happen. Even if not loan, make the share come make us strong, more the fire. Top 405 then come. Catalonia radio don't confirm say Isco don't reason Real Madrid say in the come out for January. Say don't they confirm say Isco will come out for January. And one of the likely destinations we won't go now, Arsenal and Sevilla. Sevilla dey for Spain, you get. So if you want to continue in life for Spain, you will go for Sevilla. But with the year say Baba the reason say you want to try a foreign challenge. You get never play for other countries now. Say me want to try England, and in destination now where na Arsenal. If you want to follow the footsteps of all those kind of Dani Ceballos, Odegaard, they don't come for Arsenal. They don't tell them good things. Say that place they play good football. You get, and it makes sense if you come there. You go fit be that midfield, because they distribute things. I don't know. It depends where the gaffer go want play you. So by January we go know where Isco go really go gong. But in choice now between Arsenal and Sevilla, so we never know as it goes up. Well, we could watch ya. At the same time, we don't dey official say that Michael Carrick now go control Manchester United the time where Arsenal go visit them for Old Trafford. So Ralf Rangnick work permits never dey ready, because the guy won't face FA panel to convince them say truly I be coach. You don't be say they won't use why you give me work permits make I come for England. So by the time we go face the panel finish, no say match will not end now. So more they see how it go be, more see what Carrick could do. Carrick when they boast now say he play Chelsea 1-1, say no be Ralf Rangnick now influence and say now your own philosophy. That's how they make mouth. Well, now until we meet now, we know what they saw. Paul Messi himself don't come outside. Paul Messi now one of our top pundits. So Baba don't come outside. They predict the match between Manchester United and Arsenal. So Baba can't talk say for Imo saying they see 1-1 for that match. Say forget say Manchester United beat Villarreal and say they can't draw Chelsea. No mean say they don't do good overnight. See they don't get good defense. And when you check and go see say Rafael Varane will miss that match because the guys see they injured. See their defense. All those kind of Maguire and Lindelof or Maguire and Bailey, whichever combination they want to use, and a shit packer then be. Say Arsenal no get the firepower to unlock that defense. Say they see draw 1-1. So Ronaldo know the score of late now. The guy no did that strong. Maybe if you see Arsenal now, the wins will come fly. Who knows? Well, that's it tomorrow now. She mean that Thursday. We'll watch and see. Arsenal under 18 player where they call Marcelo Flores. They don't call him up for Mexico senior team for friendly way they want play. I would be happy for this guy because the guy has smally, and what make the guy they good, they make the call him up. Be say the guy don't score 6 goals and 2 assists in 9 games for the under 18 Arsenal side. So that's why they call this camp and say this guy has shining light. We need to call this guy, so they can call the guy up. Well, they're very happy for the guy. Maybe go there, go show them what he be. Rio Ferdinand don't come out. I call the praise Arsenal backline, especially Aaron Ramsey. They come talk say, So this Arsenal defense and this Arsenal keeper, they phenomenal. And the English when they qualify them because Baba talk say, can you imagine say they don't play 10 games in between, they can't get 6 clean sheets. So when last Arsenal do that kind of thing, 6 clean sheets in 10 games, say now the Aaron Ramsdale effect. Now they cause I'm saying they're very happy for them. So they continue like that. At least the defenders now they don't get confidence. Say even if anybody pass me, wipe shot for answer, I will get bed, you will fly. Knock the thing come out. That's what it just be Jared. We say they're proud of our keeper. Almost surprise, they talk say get one thief, we go thief for Gabriel Magalhaes house. Say the thief carry baseball bat and the thief go thief in £45,000 Mercedes Benz. So Gabriel Black take on the inside house, come hear the alarm with the blow, boom, 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 boom. So the guy come outside, come say, what is the fire? Come fight the guy, back. Beat the guy, come bundle the guy, come arrest the guy. So people they put it down, say, Gabriel Magalhaes, say the guy confirm center back. They go have rubber, say when they beat have rubber, and rubber no fit pass am. So now say just that's make I let you know. Almost surprise, the administrators of German football and the politicians with the Germany, the reason say from this weekend they go start to close down football stadiums. Like fans no go fit enter again. They will play football behind closed doors, and if care is not talking, they will enter another wave of lockdown because this COVID-19 Omicron variant is very, very deadly and the thing they spread rapidly. So they fear say make people no carry am they enter fans because the vaccine wey you don't take, wey dey make you enter stadium to come watch football, e no fit fight or protect you against Omicron, which means if one person get am like this for the stadium, from shaking hands, from laughing, saliva dey pass another person mouth, before you know, e don spread rapidly and go viral. So that's why the reason say they want to take measures, adequate measures to clamp down this thing. Remember say yesterday I tell you talk say England sef fit call for a lockdown. If we go another wave of lockdown, we never know how it will be. Maybe they'll want to say when they play football without fans again. Well, by January, hopefully, or in the coming days, everything will be clearer and clearer and clearer. So that's what it just be. So my dear football lovers, there you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.